Alright, hello everyone. So today's Monday. Let's take a look at the market. Now, we already posted everything yesterday, the swing days and the hours for Monday and the swing days for the whole week. This is gold. I did say if last week we closed below this, we should keep selling. Now, today's Monday. We'll see how things go today, Monday. Now, as you can see, we still have a bit of room to push down here. So if the market goes up into 61, which is 2,442, which is going to be here, 2,442. All right, so this will be a sell level again. So if the market comes up there, which it should, and if it's a swing hour, we can sell from the highs here. Okay, and so we're just going to put this zone into the picture for us, okay, because that's a good buy kiss zone. There's a bit of a gap here, so I'm just going to take this into there. So this is going to be your kill zone. All right, so from there to there. All right, so if we come up here, then selling again is okay. Just put your swing hours as you always do, and then work on it. All right, just like here. And that's the plan for today. On the weekly, that's 68. It's going to be 2,434. Yeah, 2,434, which is slightly lower, but I'd go with this one, okay, on the daily. Okay, which is that one there. Okay, so a good buy kiss on there is okay, and the low of that is 2,440, so that covers that actually. Okay, so this zone's all good. Euro dollar, let's take a look on the weekly. We've got a breach yesterday, the last week, sorry, there, but that actually took a turn when we said it should take a turn, which was Thursday, and that's Thursday. So those were the sell levels. So if you sold, great. If it comes back up into 66, 1.0933, 1.0933 is there. So this is again a sell level. If the market goes up there, sell down. This is also a good sell level. I like to take the PST, but if it doesn't get up there, this will also be a sell zone. Okay, but I like this level too. Let's take a look at SP 500. Nice engulfing. If we go back up, we should sell it off. Where to? Let's take a look at that. Low 5556. That's covered. Five, 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 six. 5556. Let's go up. Okay, so the weekly pivot is good to sell off. That's one level to sell off the weekly pivot. 5556 is there. And the other one's 845584. So I'm going to get rid of those. Keep that there. And that's also a good zone to sell off. A bit of a gap there, but that's also good to sell. So you've got two levels we can continue selling. As you can see, nice pullback. If you want to buy, this is your buy zone. So if the market comes down, you can do that. Your swing day, as you know, is not today, so you can wait for it. Wednesday could be a big day for this, so be careful. If we dip down before going up, it's better, because on the daily you can push up. Let's take a look Dow Jones. Now with the Dow Jones as well, make sure you get your swing days right. Today is a swing day for the Dow Jones. So let's take a look. Okay, so as you can see, that was a big fall Thursday, Friday. So if we go back up to the weekly, slightly higher, this is again a sell zone. If it doesn't go up but comes down, okay, that's not a bad buy zone at all. Okay, this is not a bad place to get in because it's a good buy kiss on there. So if we dip down a little bit more, going up is okay on this one. I don't mind doing that. Might be just slightly under, okay, and you can also draw this. Okay, so we can get in, you can go in for a long on these levels here. Okay, it's not a bad place to dive back in. The manipulation is all the way down here, so there's room to push down, but I like the setup here as well, but this is also okay. A little bit of a pull down is okay to go long. Let's see if there's a weekly level. Yeah, so continuing to sell a little bit more further down, maybe into the LCL1 line, which is 39,946. 39,946 is about there. Alright, so the market can dip down a little bit more. If it does, thinking about buying is around there, 39,946. 39. So around there, okay, because that's your good buy kiss zone. So on a swing day, looking to buy at the lows is not a bad idea on this one. Also with your PST, if you're using your ATAM, so it's not a bad spot to get in there. Okay, yeah. All right, so yeah, that's a good level to look for buys today, this zone or slightly lower at swing hours. Nasdaq, so that's nicely engulfing, but this was a zone. Remember, we've done the targets on the monthly. We're probably going to come down a little bit more. Okay, this is a good spot for support, but the Nasdaq is also not today, so you got to wait for the swing day. There's a bit of a gap here, so be mindful of the gap, but this is, again, like I said, I've marked in this level before. Let's take a look. That one there. Okay, so, but that's not a real cause for manipulation. Let me just check out the weekly. We are on the weekly, okay, so that's why. Alright, so that's the weekly. If you take the body, we're in. Okay, so again, if the market is sticking around here, it's okay, but there's a bit of a gap here, as you can see on the weekly and on the daily. So I don't mind pushing this a bit lower, but later. So the swing day can be like a push up, and then we can get back into sell mode later on. Okay, yeah, because that's nicely at a target there. So looking to go up in order to sell again is okay down the line. Bitcoin. Now with Bitcoin, we had Monday, Thursday. That's Monday, Sunday, Saturday, Friday. That's your Thursday. Okay, so the market comes down Thursday, boom, up, breaking out. Okay, so that's a good push up. We're up here again. Okay, so what to do? This is a resistance level on the weekly. If you're using your ATAM, it should guide you nicely, because you see everything is set up here. Okay, So what have I got here? This is the HCL1 line, 69,180. 69,180. So this zone is going to be a resistance zone. Okay, no buying at the tops for us. Okay, if you want to, it should push down. Okay, and that's that. This is it. So this is again like the euro dollar. It's a bit of a sell zone. We don't want to be mucking around there, buying at the highs. Okay, where you can buy is down here or down there, but not up here. Okay, so you'll have to wait for some kind of a sign. The swing day is not today, so see how it goes today. Tomorrow we'll check again, but do it according to the swing days and don't muck around in between.